Hey everybody, as promised, I am here live for all of you to inform about the new batches that I'm going to start. So, this is from Vidushi's Academy that we are again starting for the soft skills development classes. These classes will contain a lot of different things, and there will be different batches for at different levels. Like there are different batches for ladies, for kids, and for professionals. Definitely there'll be different age groups also in that. In these different age groups there'll be from 6 to 12 there'll be one age group, then from 13 years to 15 years, or say approximately 18 years there'll be one age group, and then from 19 onwards there'll be different age group for unemployed people, and then there'll be a different batch for those who are professional working professionals and willing to develop their skills, upskill, they want to upskill themselves, so there'll be different batch for them. And definitely for housewives, like those who are homemakers, there'll be a different batch for ladies. So professionals batch will contain both male and female if they're comfortable with that, or else as per the demands. Now let me tell you how I'm going to go about in these sessions and what all I'll be covering in these sessions. So this is basically, as I said, it is skill development session, right? And then this is a crash course that I'm offering at present. So in this crash course, this is a 1 month thing for all of you. And in this 1 month course, you will get spoken English, basics of spoken English, starting with the grammar, basic understandings of grammar, to check with whether you're what is the level of the learner in grammar, because if you're not able to frame right sentences, or if you're not good at vocabularies, you'll struggle in fluency in English. So that's where the first thing and the foremost important thing that I'm supposed to do is to get a control over your language skills or in writing. The understanding that you have, then reading skills also are required to be developed, and then we go into spoken English. So L, S, R, W, and T. These are the 5 aspects that are looked into when somebody is working on the skills part. So L, S, R, W means listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and thinking skill. So first of all, a learner needs to develop his listening skills, because through listening, once you listen, then you learn any language, because that is a natural process of learning any language. So basically, first of all, we need to look into our improve upon our listening skills. So initially the work will be done with you over your listening skills, then parallelly the other parts will be covered, the grammar as I've told you, then listening, then speaking definitely is a natural result of rest other things. Reading skills are required to be developed. Reading means it's an independent reading skill that are required to be developed, wherein you are reading anything and you are able to read it out. That requires the control over phonics and phonetics. So phonics is a basic, and then phonetics is an upper level thing. So these are the things that one needs to learn. Why? Because if somebody wants to improve upon or have control on their fluency. Then comes the writing part. Definitely writing is one important aspect, wherein it is about writing skills, not the handwriting, that whether you're good or bad of over handwriting. It is about the writing skills, means what you are able to think, are you able to express the same or not with good vocabulary, in a right way of expression. So writing skill, improving upon writing skill helps people expressing their ideas in front of other people. Then after covering over this language skill aspect, we move into the presentation part, wherein people get the opportunity of practices in how to present their ideas in front of people. So first they present their idea, express their ideas on the paper only, and then in these sessions learners get opportunity to express their ideas in front of different people in verbal sessions. So these presentation skill which I have mentioned for my session, that is two ways of presentation. One is a verbal presentation, and the other one will be the PBT presentation. So I'll teach you how to do verbal presentations without any PowerPoint presentation. It's just a verbal presentation that you're doing with your thought process, how you express your ideas, and the other part is how to prepare a PPT, a formal PPT, the basic level, and then how you present that in front of people. Suppose you're doing a corporate presentation or you're doing a professional, any professional presentation, you can do it that way. So these things that will be covered, and then communication definitely is a part of it. All these things, communication here I have mentioned from language. I have separately, I'm talking about communication with from this language skill. Why? Because communication is all majorly about listening and understanding and then responding correctly. So here you have a lot of different things that we need to work upon for our people. So learners need to really work hard in communication skills to practice. In these sessions, people get opportunity to interact with different people, express their ideas, share their ideas, write their ideas, express verbally, express in a written format, doing different presentations. So this way they improve upon their communications. And there are different strategies that are adopted during these sessions which help people improving upon their communication skills. And this entire process helps people developing upon their, or in building upon their confidence. Why? Because everybody has ideas, everybody is creative in this world. They're blessed with some or the other skills that they have. But the problem is that people are not able to express themselves in front of different people. They do not, fear, they have, out of fear, maybe out of the hesitation they have. There are different reasons that people do not express themselves in front of other people. So in these kind of sessions, during these pandemics, since the pandemic started, I have done a lot of sessions with the ladies and with kids also. So I could experience that people were requiring some opportunity, a platform wherein they can express their ideas, a platform wherein they can share their ideas with other people, first in a closed platform, therein, with a limited audience wherein to whom they know, and then they go out and express themselves. So in these, during pandemic, where whatever batches, approximately 7 batches I've conducted for ladies and 2 batches I've conducted for children as well. And I had audience from not even from India, but abroad also, in Indians, but living out of the country. So these ladies, they were very creative. There were professionals also. There were homemakers also. But these ladies were requiring platform to express their ideas. So they, the basics, little finishing over their grammar, little confusions and small mistakes that people conduct in language. The small mistakes, like if I give you example for the and the, so people, most of the people are in habit of using the everywhere, which is not correct. The right thing I'll tell you when you'll join my session. Otherwise, there are small things that, silly mistakes that people commit while talking. So these are the things that brushing is required basically, which I did with these people. And then later they really, when they started getting opportunity to interact every day, they were gaining confidence. And there is this lady I remember, Anu, thank you Anu for joining, and she's here already. I was just about to talk about you, Anu. Thank you for joining and watching my session live. So she's the one who has been in my session earlier, and she's shown immense changes in her attitude and in her presentation. She's gained a lot of confidence in her. She's by profession, she's a dietitian, and she's a very good dietitian. I must say, I'm promoting her also in my session somewhere. So please consult with her if you're looking forward for a dietitian. She's a very good dietitian. And then she started doing a lot of presentation outside also, and she's definitely gained a lot of confidence in her. So see, she's giving her response, and it's my pleasure. Thank you Anu for joining in here. And it's a blessing for me, and it's fortunate, a beautiful coincidence that you are here in this session, because it will give confidence to other people also, those who are watching or might be watching later to this particular video. So thank you very much, Anu. So I was telling about how and why it is required. See, basically, skill development is a need of everybody in present era. You talk about any student, the one who is studying in school, maybe from in class 5 or 6, or you're talking about a child studying in 11 to 12, or you may be talking about an unemployed person who has just graduated, maybe graduating or maybe graduated and looking forward for some career opportunities, maybe willing to form his own business or establish his own business, or maybe looking for a job opportunity wheresoever, or either a housewife or a working professional. Anyone in this world, everybody needs to really work upon their skills aspect. People look forward for these kind of right guidelines. They spend a lot of handsome amount in developing upon these skills, but then they do not get the required result. By because mostly mentors miss to understand the learner. So first of all, the mentor really needs to understand the learner's need, what individual is looking forward, what individual is requiring, and they should not be judgmental attitude. A mentor should not be judging the person that you can't do this, you can't do that, you're too grown up enough to do this and all. So this is the kind of freedom that people get in my this is the feedback I have received from my candidate, from my students, that kind of a free atmosphere that they get in my sessions, and then that is the reason they're able to freely express themselves and develop themselves and improve themselves in multiple areas. So it's not limited. I'm naming about certain skills, that is language skill, confidence, communication, and presentation. But trust me on this, there is a lot here in this kitty to learn from these sessions. So it's my offer to all of you. These will be online sessions. There'll be I'll be doing it through Zoom platform. Why online? Why? Because so that I can reach out to max audience of mine. So those will be online sessions. Timings can be discussed easily through WhatsApp. The number I'll be posting again here in this platform also. You can look into the number, and if you have my number, that's wonderful. Otherwise, for batches I have posted another number also. I'll be sharing that mobile number and the link for WhatsApp group. You can join in the WhatsApp group and have further discussions and details for further details of the batches. Definitely I'll be telling you about the fee here only, because I'm not charging too high. I'm really charging a minimum amount, that is a nominal amount for this entire 1 month session. That is only 1,000 rupees. Just 1,000 rupees you're supposed to pay. And not only for this 1 month batch, definitely you will be there with me for the entire for the rest of all my webinars. If I'll conduct any webinar, and I'll be charging for it. You will not be requiring to pay for any kind of further webinars that I'll conduct. And further group sessions I keep conducting for my ex students also, so you will be able to join free for that in that also. So you're just paying one time amount, that is only 1,000 rupees, and further you will have great opportunities along with me to develop or groom yourself, or further suggestions, guidance also you're looking forward, then you can go ahead with me for further also. Once you're connected, you're with me. Once I am connected with you, I'll be definitely be associated with you. I'm just willing to read Anu's message. By you really helps my confidence. Looking forward to join your session. Oh, lovely. Thank you so much, Anu. It was great, really great having you there, because you were one of my favorite students. Why? Because you asked so many questions. So I loved your questions, and I love to answer those questions, because your questions show that you're so curious and you're interested and you're actually learning, gaining something from the session. Then only you have questions. So thank you very much, Anu. And to other people also, those who are watching right now, I would suggest that please share it with your friends and with your acquaintances or anybody in your family. It's for all. As I'm repeating, I'm just going to repeat that it is for all. Like, it is for children. The batches will be for children. So there'll be for children, the age group will be from 6 to 12 one batch, and from 13 to 18 one batch. Definitely you have question, you'll be having questions in mind that how come all children can study together. So trust me, why? Because it is already I've done, and it really helped in gaining confidence. Why? Because when two different age groups come together on one platform for improving upon their skills, it gives actually a great opportunity to both. They learn they become more responsible, they give space to other people. So it's not that language skill or only one particular skill that they develop upon. In these kind of platform, they actually gain a lot of other aspects of attitude also in them. So that is why, initially it was a challenge for me also, that I am keeping different age groups in one batch, but would I be succeeding or not? But I really succeeded. So I'm confident enough that it will be helpful for them to come together in one batch with different age groups. So they learn to respect each other, they learn to give space to each other, they learn to listen to each other and give constructive feedback to each other. So that's a great platform. So for children, as I've told you, there'll be two batches from 6 to 12 and then 13 to 18. And then other than that, there'll be a batch for homemakers. That is in ladies only. For ladies, there'll be a batch for those. And then there'll be a different batch for working professionals. And for students above those who are in graduation. So for different batches for graduation students also. So this way I'll be categorizing different batches. Fee is same for all, that is 1,000 rupees for this 1 month crash course. And timings can be discussed further once you join WhatsApp group. You join in, and there we will discuss the timings, and according to the convenience of yours and mine as well, we'll fix up the timings for different batches, and you can go ahead further. So if you have any question, you can post here in here only, and I'll be able to answer right away. Otherwise, you can join me in WhatsApp group or through WhatsApp, my personal number as well, and there you can ask your queries and I can answer immediately. If here only you want to ask me anything, please go ahead, and I'll be definitely answering your questions right here. So let me just check whether I am having any question. I have feedbacks from Anu. That's great to see her here. All right, so there's no question yet, but those who are there, those are my close friends out here watching me here, thank you so much for joining. It gives a great motivation when your close ones watch you like this. So I would request to those who are my close friends, please go ahead and share this opportunity with your friends and your families, because this is going to be a great opportunity for them. And trust me, this is going to definitely change their life. So thank you very much for the day, and I'll catch you once again if required on the same platform. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.